Hello, kids. Let's learn capital letters. Red color. Green color. Orange color. Blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Capital A. A for apple. Apple is a red fruit. Capital B. B for ball. I play with a ball. Capital C. C for cat. The cat says meow. Capital D. D. D for dog. The dog barks loudly. Capital E. E for elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. Capital F. F for fish. Fish swims in water. Capital G. G for goat. Goat gives us milk. Capital H. H for hat. I wear a hat. Capital I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet. Capital J. J for jug. Water is in the jug. Capital K. K for kite. The kite flies high. Capital L. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Capital M. M for mango. Mango is a tasty fruit. Capital N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. Capital O. O for orange. Orange is a juicy fruit. Capital P. P for parrot. Parrot can talk. Capital Q. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. Capital R. R for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears. Capital S. S is for sun. The sun gives us light. Capital T. T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Capital U. U for umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. Capital V. A V for van. The van is big. Capital W. W for watch. I wear a watch on my wrist. Capital X. X for xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Capital Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo is a fun toy. Capital Z. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. To keep learning, like this video and subscribe my channel.